Hello friends, welcome to MNP Knowledge School. A very happy Mother's Day to all the mothers on this planet Earth. In this video, we will know when is Mother's Day, what is the importance of this day, and how and why it is celebrated. So let's start the video. Friends, if you haven't subscribed the channel till now, do subscribe it and don't forget to press the bell icon so that you can get the notifications of all the upcoming videos on this channel. This year, the Mother's Day will be celebrated on 10th of May because it is celebrated on the second Sunday of May every year. And since the second Sunday in this year is on 10th of May, that's why it will be celebrated on 10th of May. So as we have known that the Mother's Day will be celebrated on 10th May this year, on Mother's Day people celebrate motherhood and mothers in their families. This is the day when they thank their mothers for their efforts. People make this day special for their mothers by preparing gifts, flower bouquet, food for them. Earlier, Christians used to take their mothers to the church, but this year, because of coronavirus lockdown, these things will not be possible in many countries. Mother's Day is celebrated differently in other countries. In the United Kingdom, this day is celebrated on the fourth Sunday of March in the memory of Mother Church on Christian Mothering Sunday. In Greece, this day is observed on February 2nd. Many Arab countries celebrate this special day on March 21. However, most other countries, including India, celebrate this day on May 10th. Now let us see the importance of this day. Mother's Day was first celebrated by the Greeks and the Romans in ancient time by worshipping goddess Rhea and Cybele. It is widely believed that Mother's Day celebration first began in the United States when a woman named Anna Jarvis wanted a special day because her mother had expressed such a desire. When her mother died, Jarvis took up the initiative and held a memorial for her mother in 1908, 3 years after her death at St. Andrew's Methodist Church in West Virginia. It is said that though she herself did not attend this ceremony, she sent a telegram to the guests highlighting the importance of the day. She sent them 500 white carnations along with the telegram, according to a popular legends. Anna's mother, Anne Reeve Jarvis, was a peace activist who tended to the wounded soldiers during the American Civil War. She was also a founder of the Mother's Day work clubs that worked in the area of public health. Her contribution toward the society and Anna's utmost respect towards her mother led to Mother's Day being declared as a national holiday by the American statesman and lawyer Woodrow Wilson. So friends all around the world, a very happy Mother's Day. Do take care of your mother, respect your mother, and also celebrate this day. If you liked this video, don't forget to click the like icon, don't forget to press the bell icon, don't forget to subscribe the channel, and do share it with your friends and families. Until next video, have a nice day, keep smiling.